Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a Python program that checks if URLs are working. So what we need to do first of all is import this module here called requests. Now if you don't have this module on board, you'll have to install it using the Python pip installer. So requests here. So what we're going to do first of all, we're going to create a function here. So this is a function and it's called check URLs. Okay, so that's our function that we create first. And then we create a variable here called URLs. And I've just added in some URLs which are the usual suspects. So we've got google.com, example.com, yahoo.com and bing.com. Now what I've done here, the next line, oh, by the way, this is in a list. So we need to put this in list format. We need to put the URLs inside the list here in Python. Okay, so we come on to the next line here and I'm going to use an error handler. We start off using an error handler, creating an error handler by saying try. So we go down on here and we use the print command to print out a message to the user saying checking URLs. And then I use time.sleep to pause this for 1 second. Also, you'll need to import time in there. Okay, I don't know why I've got two OSs here. That's for another program. Okay, so you need to import the time module there for this. So we enter in a value of 1, which is 1 second, so it will pause the program for 1 second. Then what we've got to do, we've got to loop over these URLs, loop through the list here. So we do this using a for loop. And I said for U, which stands for URLs, in URLs, which is the list here. And this is where I'm using the requests module. So created a variable called response and assign it to requests get U. Okay, and then we use the conditional because we're going to evaluate something here. So we've got response. If response status code is equal to 200, if it's equal to that, it means that the website is up and running. Okay, so we're getting a response from it. So we're going to print out a message and we're going to use the F string to interpolate the U into the F string here, which will be the URL. So we'll interpolate the URL into the string and we say alive. Or else if that is not the case, we use the catch-all here, which is else. We print out, again doing the same, the URL is not working. Now to finish this error handler, we use the except, and I've created exception here as E. And then we're going to interpolate the E, which is going to be the error, if there is an error, into the string. So that will tell you what the error was if there is an error. Okay, now to call the program, I've called it by check URLs, which is the name of the program. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to run the program. Let's get it there. Let's see if I can make it a bit bigger. Okay, checking URLs. Okay, so I got here Yahoo not working for some reason. I don't know. Maybe in my area they don't have Yahoo anymore. I'm not quite sure about that. So we've got Google is alive, Bing's alive, okay, and one that's not working. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that program, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please consider hitting the button below and subscribing, and give it a thumbs up as well. Drop me a comment if you want, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.